Hello, it's me. I'm decluttering here again. We did these drawers, now I decided to do under here, and to my surprise I found some items I had no idea were down here. I don't go in here often, if ever. I have a couple trays. Oh, there's a pot. I can give that away. That made its way down here. So there's items. A little husband doesn't know where items go in the kitchen, and I find them randomly, and I've been looking for some of these for a while. So this is a drain cover. What do you call these? A strainer, sink strainer. That goes in another cabinet. That is not this one. This is the big thing, the big surprise. I have been looking for this pot. This is not the pot area. We actually decluttered the pot area the other day, so I'm going to put that back in the pot cabinet. I love that he tries, so we'll give him that. This little container, I'm going to put, I may or may not be able to use this in another cabinet, so I'm going to slide it over there. These are nasty. They were left by the previous owners, I believe. I didn't even know, I don't even remember these being in here. Those are gonna go in recycle, I guess, glass. Oh, Pioneer Woman, this is how to care for that pot. Give it love every day. This tray is supposed to be in here, so that's nice. This I may leave in here. As I declutter, sometimes I reorganize, but for now, I'm gonna keep the measuring spoons in here. My husband put them in there. I left them on the counter to figure out where to put them, and he did put them away, which is nice, but I don't know that they'll stay. These trays I'm just gonna leave. Can you see? You can't see. I have two like wooden trays. They're good for like when we're watching, we have like pizza night on the couch once a week. Now these, no idea. They're my husband's, I guess. I don't know why they're in here. This is not where any of this stuff goes. So I'm going to see if he actually uses them. And there's an extra one of these tops. So I'm going to leave these out. And now this is a touch-up kit. I think the previous owners, so I'm just going to give that away. Oh, another swell. Oh, there's the top, another swell bottle. I don't know why these are all here. It's like a hoarder, a swell bottle hoarder lives here. This is nice. I've been looking for this. This is another item I've been searching for. And it's like usually he's not around when I'm looking and then I forget. The pot, I'm surprised I didn't ask him. This, I'm not sure what it's to. I'm going to ask him that if he knows. This. I got him this grilling tool. And it's not in the grilling area. There's a grilling cabinet. So we're going to put it in the grilling cabinet. And this is also not in the right spot. This is a drying mat for dishes. I don't know why I can't speak. I'm a little slow. And it is autumn themed. I will put that with the towels in the other room. So what we are left with are the trays. And, oh, here's another one of these, guys. I do really love these, but they're not being used, so I may get rid of them if we're not using them. There is space for here. So like I said, when I do declutter, I often will reorganize cabinets and stuff, so something else may go in here if it would suit us better. But for now, it's going to hold our trays and measuring cup. Let me show you. Let me show you. Well, let me show you. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, there's not that much to show, I guess. There's just two items for giveaway, and then obviously a bunch of items for other cabinets. But I'll give you a peek on what this cabinet looks like now. So there is the 3 trays there. And that is the measuring spoons and cups and the other tray. And then there's empty space. I love empty space. It makes me happy.